Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I would like to analyze and present the poetry based on characteristic types and element. First of all, let me introduce myself. I am Dzikri Mursyid Hamdalahuddin, and this is my partner.
Hello guys, my name is Abdul Nurhadi. Today I'm gonna explain about poetry elements.
On this occasion, I would like to analyze the poetry entitled The Old Pond. You can see the poetry at the slide that I'm presenting. And the next slide is about the analysis of this poetry. Haiku is types of this poetry entitled The Old Pond because this poetry describe about nature and use 3-line stanzas with 5 syllable count. And the characteristic of this poetry, there are message, descriptive imagery, sound of water, tone or mood, and stanza tercet.
The first element is intrinsic. 1. Drums. The drums is disturbance. The sound patterns, there is and rhyme, use AAB, ABA, and ABC letters. Second, word sound onomatopoeia, because there is word that sound to describe a frog jump into the pond. 3. Figurative language, imagery, because representing action. 4. Message, if you do not want to be disturbed, you can fight back. 5. Mood or feeling, serenity. Second, elements. There is also biography. This is the biography of the author, Matsuo Baso. Next, there is value elements. How we behave when we don't want to be disturbed. Next, social situation. Written sometime between 1686 and 1691. It is a product of both peak period. During this time, a number of the poems focus on the manifestation of sabi, that objective, non-emotional loneliness.
Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.